Welcome to the Kindergarten through Grade 2 Initial ELPAC Remote Test Administration Writing Demonstration video, sponsored by the California Department of Education.
Some instructions in the Directions for Administration, or DFAs, may have changed since the filming of this training video. During a test administration, follow all the directions in the current remote and in-person DFAs.
Remote administration of the English Language Proficiency Assessments for California, or ELPAC, involves slight differences from an in-person test administration. This video demonstrates those elements of a remote administration of the initial ELPAC writing domain for kindergarten. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how writing domain test questions are delivered in a remote administration, and how kindergarten through grade 2, or K2 students, will demonstrate their responses for the writing domain of the kindergarten, grade 1, or grade 2 initial ELPAC during a remote administration. If you would like to watch a full administration of a K2 assessment, please view the training video K2 Test Administration located on the Moodle training site. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the ELPAC practice test. For a remote administration of K2 writing, students can respond using the student writing response sheets, a blank piece of paper, or a whiteboard. If using the student writing response sheets, LEAs will create a plan for delivering them to students. They can hand deliver, mail, or email the writing response sheets to students. For in-person testing, students will respond in the actual answer book, not on the student writing response sheets. Test examiners must have the Directions for Administration, or DFA, and an electronic PDF of the answer book called the Teacher Answer Book PDF. Teacher Answer Book PDFs are available for download on the Moodle training site. The K2 writing test does not require the use of the Test Administrator interface or web-based student testing interface. Test examiners will use the video conferencing platform adopted by their LEA. In this demonstration, the test examiner is using Zoom. LEAs can email meeting links to the parents or post the links in whatever learning platform they are using for daily instruction. The writing domain for students in remote K2 test administration requires the student to write their responses, then show them to the test examiner. To ensure students are responding to the correct question, the test examiner will need to share an electronic copy of the answer book. If the student is using the writing response sheets, the test examiner should use their mouse cursor to point to the write-on line where students should be writing. As an alternative, test examiners can share the answer book via a web camera or document camera rather than an electronic PDF. If using a camera, simply hold the documents up to the camera while pointing to the write-on line with your finger or a pencil. Here's a demonstration of a remote writing administration with a kindergarten student. The test examiner is using a PDF version of the answer book and sharing her screen.
Hey, do you have that big envelope that I sent home to your house?
Yes, I do.
Let me see. Awesome. Can you open that up? There's 2 pieces of paper in there for you. Take them out.
This is the first one. And this is the second one.
Great job. Those are the ones you're going to write on today. So I want you to put them right next to your computer where you can write. And do you have your pencil? Show me that you have a pencil. Perfect. Okay, I have my pencil too. Okay. We're going to get started. Okay, Chris, today you will take the ELPAC writing test. If you're unsure of how to respond to a test question, just respond the best you can. In this part of the test, you will write your answers to the questions on paper. If you need any questions repeated, just ask. You will now begin the writing questions. Before I have you look at the computer to see where I'm pointing, I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see a picture of a barn on my screen?
Yes, I do.
Great. Okay. Now, do you see on your paper that I gave you, you don't have a picture of a barn, do you? But you have a box at the top, and then you have numbers and lines that look just like this, don't you?
Yes.
Okay. When I tell you to write something, I'm going to point to where I want you to write, and you're going to choose that same number and lines. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. Let's get started. I want you to look at the computer so you can see where I'm pointing. Do you see my mouse pointer? It's a white hand right now. You see me
Yeah.
wiggling it around? Okay, I'm going to point to that so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, this is a barn. Barn starts with the letter B. Write the letter B where you see my pointer at number 1.
If the student does not write, the test examiner should re-prompt. Test examiners should follow all prompting guidelines in the DFA as they would during an in-person test administration.
Okay, and just so I know you wrote the right one, oh good, hold it up so I can see, bring it a little closer. Excellent. Hold it really still for a second. Thank you. Okay, go ahead and put it down. Eyes on the computer.
I see your mouth.
Okay, good. Okay, this is a goat. Goat starts with the letter G. Write the letter G where you see my pointer at number 2. Can you hold it a little closer? Thank you. Good job. Okay. This is a hen. Write the word hen where you see my pointer, here next to number 3. I'm going to make you bigger. I can't quite see that.
Test examiners may choose to stop sharing their screen in order to enlarge the student's video. This makes it easier for the test examiner to see a student's responses in order to score them. Test examiners will score in the moment. Students may hold their paper up for scoring after completing each response or after they have completed an entire page.
This is a cow. Write the word cow on number 4, right where you see my pointer. Good job. Hold that up. Keep holding it up. Hold it up a little more. A little higher. There, perfect. Stop right there. All right, okay. You can put it down. Now, take that second piece of paper that you have. Okay, Chris, we're going to use the second piece of paper. Do you see the piece of paper you have? That it doesn't have a picture on it, but you see the number 5 and these lines and these letters. That's it. Perfect. Good job. Okay, put that next to you. That's the one we're going to start with. Now put your eyes back on the screen because you're going to watch my mouse pointer again. We are going to write a story together. The title of the story is We Read a Book. The first letter is missing from the word read. Say the word read.
Read.
Now,
Read.
good. Now write the first letter of the word read where you see my pointer. On your paper, it's number 5. Good job. Thank you. Eyes on the screen. The first letter is missing from the word book. Say the word book.
Book.
Now, good. Now write the first letter of the word book. It says number 6 on your paper. Hold that up for me. Okay, good job. Okay, Chris, eyes on the screen. The first sentence in the story is, I hold my bear on my lap. The second sentence should say, I tell him a story. The word tell is missing from the sentence. Say the word tell.
Tell.
Now write the word tell. It'll be number 7 on your paper. And then hold it up so I can see that you're in the right place. All right, go ahead and put your paper down. The next, eyes on the screen. The next sentence should say, then I give him a hug. The word hug is missing from the story. Say the word hug.
Hug.
Now write the word hug. It says it's number 8 on your paper. Remember, just do your best. Hold it up a little higher. A little higher. Perfect. A little closer. Make you bigger. Oh, thank you. Okay, perfect.
After testing, the test examiner will direct the student to rip up the writing response sheets. Students should do this while in the video conference call with the test examiner.
Great work, Chris. We're all done. Now for the fun part. We get to have a confetti party. We're going to make confetti out of those papers that you just wrote on. So that paper you just wrote on, pick it up. I want you to rip it into as many little pieces as you can. Go.
I need to.
Let me see. Yeah, good job. Keep going. You get to throw it up in the air. But then you have to clean it up and throw it away.
Yeah.
Thank you. Great work, Chris.
The length of time it takes students to complete the ELPAC will vary by student. For younger students, test examiners may consider breaking up the test administration by domains over multiple test sessions. Expiration rules for ELPAC domains are located in the front matter of the DFAs. Guidelines concerning prompting, repeating test questions, and scoring are the same whether the student is being administered the ELPAC remotely or in person. Refer to training materials located on the Moodle training site for guidelines. Thank you for watching this kindergarten through grade 2 initial ELPAC remote test administration writing demonstration video. For more information, please visit the ELPAC website at www.elpac.org.